Now, our weekend wasn't too bad. Saturday was gorgeous, and Sunday, we did have that rain come in. But today, well, things started to cool off. We are going to have this cooler air mass in place as we go over the next few days, and also conditions will remain cloudy, and we'll see a bit of wind. But let's go ahead and talk about, what happened yesterday on Saturday. Temperatures were in the lower 70s for highs at 71 degrees Sunday, with a low of 58 degrees. Our normal should be at 74 for our high, 53 degrees for our low. And well, as you go and look at the sunrise, 6:58 a.m. in the morning, and sunset is now at 8:46. So we'll continue to see both of those numbers get closer and closer together as we are getting closer to what will be officially the beginning of fall coming up in September. But let's take a look at what happened today in terms of today's highs. Look at how much we cooled off. 55 in Marquette, 60 degrees down in Iron Mountain, 58 in Munising, at 58 over in Manistee, and seeing more of the upper 50s in Ontonagon, while at 55 degrees in Houghton. And here's a look at your current winds coming in from the north at 16 in Marquette and 18 in Munising. So we are still seeing those breezy conditions. We are expecting winds to stick around that 10 to 15 miles per hour mark as we head into the night. Probably seeing more of a northwesterly flow as well as we head throughout the rest of the evening. So just expect that this will continue to keep this cooler air in place as this area of low pressure, it moves slowly and won't get out of here anytime soon, and will provide those cool conditions, those northwesterly winds, and those overcast skies. So as we take a look at tonight, we are expecting cool conditions, cool temperatures with showers. Some of us could see overnight lows in the upper 40s, so just to let you know how cool it might be. Dreary and wet as we head throughout our Tuesday, and not much changing over the next few days for us. Tuesday, we'll look to keep this type of weather around. Wednesday, it looks to be the same for us, maybe seeing some of it beginning to let up before Thursday. I think that's going to be right around the time that we start to get a break from the rain, at least. It still should feature a mix of sun and clouds, but it won't be as wet for us. But here's a look at our setup. You'll notice that we do have that cool air in place as behind this cold front. The showers, they are still here as well. But later on during the week, yes, we do start to dry out by Thursday. You'll notice the jet stream beginning to lift back up a bit. That will allow slightly warmer air to arrive and start to work its way closer to the region. But we'll be looking out for this feature right here to work its way closer to the area, and it will depend on where exactly this feature rides along the jet stream. If it goes a little farther to the north into southern Ontario, we might get away with not seeing any rain, but if it comes south, well, we are expected to get the rain. So we'll just see exactly what happens with that, and that will depend on our rain chances getting closer to Fridays and Saturdays. So once again, it looks like, yes, we do get a break from the rain, but it does not last long. Here's a look at your FUTURECAST model. Expecting this area of low pressure continuing to swirl across the area, bringing rain chance after rain chance. Tomorrow morning, seeing that even as we head into tomorrow afternoon, and tomorrow night, keeping the rain in place for us. And then even as we go into Wednesday, not much really changing across the upper peninsula. But as we take a look at tonight, we are expecting to drop into the upper 40s. Scatter light showers, winds out of the northwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. And on Tuesday, overcast and breezy with scatter showers in the forecast. Winds out of the northwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Upper 50s in Lawrence at 58 degrees, 55 in Ontonagon, calling for the lower 60s in Crystal Falls, 60 degrees in Florence, 61 in Escanaba, while at 62 in Munising, and only reaching the upper 50s in Marquette. Here's a look at your day planner. We'll start off right around that 50-degree mark at 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, top off at 57 into the afternoon, and then drop into the lower 50s by tomorrow night. And your 7-day forecast, we'll call for 57 for Tuesday, Wednesday, 59 degrees for your high with more chances of rain on the way for us. Then lower 60s will arrive with a few more rays of sunshine as we head into Thursday. Another chance of rain. Now, as I mentioned before, that chance of rain on Friday is going to be a small one for us for right now. It will depend on the track of that system, but we'll see warmer temperatures either way. Highs back into the lower 70s at 72. Starting off the weekend on a dry note, but as we get into Sunday and Monday, it looks like that rain will return with highs in the lower 70s and in the upper 60s.